make sure that you check out my video right before this one, numbers through 1 billion. I'm going to go ahead and put this number into expanded form so that I can better understand the relationship between the numbers that I have within this number. So, in expanded form, I would start with my greatest place value, and this is 2 million. So I have 2 million plus, I don't have anything in this place value, so I can skip it. I have 90,000 plus 9,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 1. So my number is now in expanded form. We are going to be really focusing on these two digits right here. Because they are the same digit, I can say they have a relationship with each other of either being 10 times or 1/10 of each other. So when I put this number in expanded form, it's easy for me to see that this 9 was equivalent to 90,000, and this 9 was equivalent to 9,000. So I'm going to write these numbers side by side. And how I can read this is I can say 90,000 is blank of 9,000. So let's think about that. Which number is greater? Or is 90,000 greater than 9,000, or is it less than 9,000? Clearly we can see 90,000 is greater than 9,000. So since they are the same digit, they're the same digit, and they are in place values that are right next to each other, I can say 90,000 is 10 times 9,000. I can know that because if I multiply 9,000 times 10, I would get 90,000. So I can say 90,000 is 10 times of 9,000. Okay, let's reverse that. Let's say that I have a number sentence that starts with 9,000 is blank to 90,000. Okay, first I'm going to ask myself, is 9,000 greater than or less than 90,000? It's less than. And again, since they're the same digit and they're in place values that are right next to each other, I can say 9,000 is 1/10 of 90,000. Okay, that means 10 of these would equal 90,000. So I can check that by saying 9,000 times 10 equals 90,000. And that is correct. Okay? So basically you have to know that your digits have to be the same digit. I can't have a 9 and an 8 and say that it's 10 times or 1/10. They have to be the same digit, and they have to be in place values that are right next to each other. And then I'm going to look at my number that is greater, and it is going to be 10 times this number. Or I can start with my lesser place value, and I can say this number is 1/10 of this number. Okay? So that is place value relationships.